I used some wipes. I begin by cleaning off the dust from the AC motor. Note this is before the cleaning, and this is after the cleaning. Much better. I also cleaned it by water since it was more effective. After that I've cleaned every part separately, I build it up. I begin by placing the rotor back to its place. I then placed all the parts to their original place. And yes, I can agree that it was not easy. I needed to try it multiple times in order to make sure that everything is on its correct place. The hardest part was to place back the coils with the brushes. There was also a lot of problem with the switch. I also forgot to put in the commutator of the AC motor, which meant that I need to take away the coil again and repeat the process. Unlucky me. I needed to pay for my laziness. Everything seemed to be okay. Just wait a moment. I thought how I fixed the sander perfectly, but it turned out to be just a mistake. This resulted in a month of testing. But I did learn a lot from my mistake, which is quite good. The sander wasn't that quite complex and it was an easy project to make. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.